So in this country Ukraine, city of Odessa, you look and you think, what, is KFC under construction? But no, they have to put this board up over the windows because of the potential bombing, and it's open for business. But that's how it is when there is a war. So I'm having lunch at KFC here in Odessa, Ukraine, and the only thing is that the chickens here don't have thighs or breasts; they only have drumsticks. So, all right, well, there's your update for today. Well, I didn't imagine ever being in a country where I'd be hearing air raid sirens. But no one seems greatly concerned. They're not running for shelter. So I don't know. Can you hear their air raid siren? So, all right, I had been in McDonald's and I seemed to have lost my glasses. And that is an air raid siren. But they don't seem very concerned about it here. I guess it happens often. So this is kind of an interesting thing. Okay, so you can see the seconds left before it changes. It's like 21 seconds. So you know how long you got to wait before the light changes. And then down here is red. I don't know if it's coming up red. It looks like in the video it's white. Okay, it's 9, 8, 7, and it's going to change. This is on the sidewalk, right? On the sidewalk, it's going to change. And there it goes. It turns green, and then they can walk across, and there it is, green with counting down the seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's going to go red again. Bing. Oh, there you go.